How to fix flashlight not working on Android. This tutorial shows you multiple solutions to resolve torch issues on your device. First, try restarting your Android device by holding the power button and selecting Restart. Next, after the restart, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel. Following that, swipe down again to access the Quick Settings menu. Now, tap on the flashlight icon to test if it's working. Moving forward, if the flashlight still doesn't work, open the Settings app. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all applications. In addition to that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Show System Apps. Once there, scroll down and find Camera in the app list. Subsequently, tap on Camera and then tap on Storage. Moreover, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Afterwards, go back and also clear cache for any flashlight apps you have installed. Then, restart your device again and test the flashlight. Within the Quick Settings, tap the flashlight icon to check if it's working now. Alternatively, if it's still not working, check if any third-party camera apps are interfering. Once identified, force stop those apps by going to Apps, selecting the app, and tapping Force Stop. Then, another solution is to check for software updates by going to Settings, scrolling to Software Update, and tapping on Download and Install. Within the Update screen, install any available updates as they may fix flashlight bugs. And that's it. If this flashlight troubleshooting guide helped you fix the torch issue, leave a like, subscribe for more Android problem-solving tutorials, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.